Hello YouTube and welcome to another Juniper tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you some very useful and time savers JunOS commands. So are you ready? Let's get started. So here as an example I will take this Juniper QFX switch, but of course all what I say here applies also to any other MX Juniper router or actually the firewall SRX Juniper also devices. Okay, so here I'm on the operational mode of my QFX Juniper switch. Okay, so let's say that I want, for example, to configure a filter with the command. So I will go here to the config mode using the edit command. Okay, and I will start typing my command. So here, for example, I will type set firewall. Okay, I will family inet filter. So I will call it, for example, deny SSH traffic. Just an example, it doesn't matter. And I will add here a term. For example, block SSH also. So here you can see that my command, my full sentence get truncated. I cannot see the beginning. We have the beginning replaced by 3 dots. So this is actually due to the screen width that by default for the command line on the JunOS, the screen width is set to 80 characters. Okay, so you cannot see the whole sentence that exceeds actually 80 characters, but we can actually get rid of that by setting another screen width. So I will show you how. So first of all, you have to be on the operational mode, because here, remember, we are in the config mode. So I will exit this config mode, and now I am on the operational mode. So the command to enter is pretty simple. Set CLI screen width, and I set it to, for example, 1000. So the limit, I guess it's 1024, but I guess 1000 is far enough. So now you can see the screen width is set to 1000. So let me go back and try to enter the same command that I entered before and get it truncated and see what we get. Okay, so let's say or set our firewall filter. So it's family inet filter. I will call it, for example, block SSH traffic, and I will add a term deny SSH. So you can see now that I don't get any truncating and my actually whole sentence is still there. Okay, so I have not truncated my whole sentences. So this is a very useful trick that you can use in order to actually get the whole sentence displays in your screen. Okay, so let me get rid all of that, and I will go back to my actually config mode or operational actually mode. Okay, here we go. So let's move on to another actually command. So this command also is pretty easy that you can enter. So here, for example, I am on operational mode, and if I do show configuration, so you can see that I have here some sections. So I have system section, I have interface section, and maybe I will get also some VLAN section, some protocol sections also. So sometimes you get a very large config file and you don't want to see actually a section. Okay, so let's say for example that I don't want to see this VLAN section. I want to focus just on the other sections. So how to hide this section from your configuration? So actually it's pretty easy to do so. So this time I have to go to the config mode, so I will use edit, and all I have to do is to enter the command set vset, and here I will enter section. So my section was VLANs. Okay, and here I have to apply flag omit, so I will type apply then flags. So here you have to notice there is no completion, so if you type spacebar or tab you don't get any completion because this is a hidden command. So this command is apply flags omit. Okay, so omit with single M. Here we go. So now let's go back to operational mode and see what we get. So I will exit. So of course here I have actually to commit my changes, so let's commit that. Here we go. Okay, so the commit is executed, so I am on the operational mode. So now let's show the configuration. Here we go. So now you can see that the VLAN section is omitted, it's hidden, so you cannot see it anymore. Okay, so it's pretty easy trick that you want to use if you want to hide any section that for you is not useful or you don't want to focus on it. Okay, but of course you can still see the section if you enter the command show configuration, but in the display set mode. Okay, so here you can see that our VLANs appears now if I enter the display set command also. Okay, of course you can also show it using show configuration and with the display omit also command. So now the section reappears with this command here, display omit. Okay, so remember that whenever you want to hide section, especially if you have a very large config file, you can do this trick here. Okay, so another trick that you can use, so here let me show you the configuration here once again. So you can see that I have set up actually my interface 001 with some parameters here. It's just family Ethernet switching and it belongs to the VLAN 10. So if you want to copy some configuration from interface to another interface, especially if you have a lot of config, here I have just set up VLAN and family Ethernet switching. But of course I can add a lot of things like a protocol or routing or something like that. So in order to retype all the command to another command or another interface, you can use a pretty simple word which is pretty straightforward, which is the copy command. Okay, so if you want to copy the config of interface to another interface, you can do that. So I will show you here how. So I will go to the config mode and I will just enter, for example here, I will copy the config of XE001 to, for example, XE004. Okay, so let's do that. So the command is copy interface, or actually interfaces, XE001. I will copy it to interface, and this time it's XE004. Okay, because XE004 doesn't have a config yet. Here I have here a mistake, so maybe I don't need to to enter this keyword. Okay, so let's commit that. Okay, so if I do show now, and if I go once again, you can see that now the XE004 has the config of XE001. So I copied the config of the XE001 to XE004. Okay, because before I didn't have any config for the XE004. So you can see how easy it is to do that, to copy something from an interface to another interface. Okay, so the last trick that I want to show you now is to replace actually the configuration interface. So let's say, so I'll show you once again the config. So with command run show configuration. So let's say that I want to get rid of this XE001. I don't want it anymore in my config. So if you want to do it manually, you have to copy it to another interface and to delete this XE001. But there is another trick that you can do that avoid all those things. Okay, so the command actually is pretty simple, is to replace actually buttons XE001. So whenever there is this button, I will replace it with, for example, with XE. This time I will go to 005, for example. Okay, so this command will get rid of actually XE001 and copy its config to XE005. Here we go. So let's commit that. And let's go to operational mode and show you the config. Here we go. So you can see now the interfaces begin with 001 because we have actually get rid of 001 and it being replaced with 005. So this is also very useful if you have a faulty interface or something happened to interface and you want to copy the whole config to another interface and get rid of the previous one. So this is very handy whenever you have a lot of parameters, a lot of config in an interface. Okay, so these are actually some very useful and time savers command. Okay, so as always, I hope it has been informative for you and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.